Hello and welcome to Gurok Farms. Thought I'd pick up the camera and film a little bit. It's gonna be a bit more relaxed, but anyways, to give you guys a backstory of what was going on today, we worked on a fence here this afternoon, kind of sprucing it up, putting in some new posts and things like that. And it was a good time. We got a lot done in a short amount of time. But as for the weather, it's been kind of crazy here. It's been typical fall. Yesterday it was a high of 80, and today it was a high of like 55. So talk about a drastic change. So I think fall is here. The colors, they're really changing. But anyways, I wanted to pick up the camera and take you guys along with me. I'm gonna go check the cattle here on my way out and talk to you guys a little bit. Talk about beautiful. This is the main reason I wanted to pull out the camera. Watching cattle graze, especially in the fall when the colors are changing and it's nice and cool. They like being out on pasture that time of year. It's comfortable for them. I couldn't not stop and film a little bit. Oh, we got one up here and we got a couple more down here. These are a bunch of heifers. There's a couple cows scattered in there. Like there's some cows further down below there, but some of these in the middle are heifers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with her. We're supposed to have 13, so there's a couple more somewhere else we'll have to go find. This video seems to be turning into one of those ASMR slash relaxation videos. Watching these cattle are, in my opinion, one of the most relaxing things you can do. It's just so calming watching them graze, and they're all so content and happy. It's kind of funny, this speckled cow here behind me. Most of the time I come up here or I'm out on pasture, she seems to be off by herself, not with the rest of the group. Kind of like that blue roan cow way up there that we visited first. She tends to not hang around the group. Neither of them two, they're kind of older cows. They kind of form their own little group. It makes me smile seeing that they're all kind of hanging out together, at least these 10 are. And the other 3, I caught a glimpse of one through the trees. Yep, there's 2 over there for sure. I'm willing to bet the other one is in that direction as well. Since I'm down here, I'll check the mineral in the water as well. That's something with this time of year, the water management side of things really isn't that big of a deal, because it's typically a lot cooler, especially like today. It's a windy 50 to 60 degree day. The cattle really don't need to drink a whole lot of water. I don't know if you guys can see it, but a bunch of ducks just flew off the pond, at least a pair of them. Talk about cool catching that. And there you go. Those are those other 3 cows we were looking for. So we have all 13 of them. That was pretty easy. Oh, there you go. Another duck goes again. Maybe I'll be able to zoom in on that. It's flying up the hill. Mineral looks good. Looks like that log's holding up. It's gotten moved around a bit, but it's kind of settled into the dirt now. I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. And the water's doing okay. About 3/4 full. That's plenty, especially this time of year with a smaller herd out here. Since we're out here cow gazing, I guess you could call it, I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things. So first off, thank you all for the support and everybody who's been viewing every single video or viewing most of the videos. That's been huge. And also all the comments. I love reading the comments. We all love reading the comments. My entire family reads the comments. Some of the things you guys say, it just warms our hearts. And we really like hearing about all the old stories you guys have, or even seeing some of the questions you guys have. Then that kind of gives us ideas to talk about certain questions and answer certain questions in a video, and we thank you guys for that. I really like the community that we've built, so I just wanted to take some time here and thank you guys. And also I had a question, how interested you would be about purchasing merch. I know I've had a lot of questions about like hats or t-shirts, and I was kind of thinking keep it simple right away and maybe just design and purchase some hats. So leave some comments down below, your thoughts on that, if it's something you guys would be interested in. You know, we don't want to order a bunch and not have people want to purchase them. So, and if you guys are interested, it's something we'd want to do. It's crazy for me to think about that you guys would want to wear a hat with our farm logo on it. So just throwing that out there too while I'm sitting here thinking. Leave a comment, yes or no, if you'd want anything like that. And if you did want something like that, what would be the things you'd be most interested in? Anyways, enough gazing for now. I'm gonna head over, check on those other 3 cows, get up close, make sure they're doing okay as well, and then we'll head back home. What a great way to end off a cloudy, rainy day. Nothing better than a nice fall sunset and some cows grazing. It's turning out to be a beautiful evening. I'm gonna keep making my way home. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. It was kind of nice to just make a more relaxed and laid back video. Just kind of checking the cattle and talking, enjoying the views, and I'm happy you guys came along with me. Make sure to leave plenty of comments down below. Like I was saying, we read every single one of them, and I want to hear your guys' opinion on those different topics that I talked about. But that's going to be it for the video. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos.